This is the lesson 6 of our graphic design training, and I welcome you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to rotate our paper and also learn how to apply borders. Now we are going to rotate our paper, so let's go to image, then you click on image rotation. So you select any of the angles. Let's take 90 degree clockwise. You click on it, your image or your paper is rotated. Now let's apply our borders. With applying borders, we are going to use the rectangular tool, the shape tool. Under the shape tool, you have the rectangular tool. So you select the rectangular tool, then you come to apply your rectangles. Make sure your borders are not too big. You can zoom your work by clicking on Control and plus to zoom your work so that you can get the actual work well. So we are applying our borders. We apply the first border. We are using the rectangular tool to apply our borders. Now, if your border lines, make sure your border lines are not too big and also not too small. So we have our border lines here, so let's zoom it a little so that I can see the lines very well. Now you can select the move tool. This is the move tool. You can select the move tool to adjust your borders to make sure they are not too big, they are not too small. Now we have our borders. So let's apply colors. We have already learned how to apply colors to shape, so we are going to use any of them. So now let's use the shape one. You select the shape tool, you select the rectangle you want to apply color, you go to the color, fill, then select the color. Let's say this color, then your color will be applied. You see, so we want the colors to be uniform, so you select another border. You go to the, or you can use the FX. Okay, let's use the FX. With the first one I've used this one, let's use the FX. Then go to color valley, then we are going to use the color picker tool. So you select this side, then you don't start from here, but you come to the first color that you selected. You click on it so that the color will be uniform. Then okay, then you set the other one. So this is the other one. You select it, use the color valley, then click on this, the picker tool. You click on it, sorry, you click on this side rather to get your color, then okay. So this last one, we are going to use the rectangular option. So you click on the rectangular tool, you come to fill, then the color is already here, but you can still use the picker tool to make sure the color is uniform. So you click on this, then okay. You see, now we have our rectangle, or we have our paper with our borders. Now don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials for our next lesson. God bless you.